How do you know if it's good debt or bad debt? Working with female entrepreneurs, I hear this a lot. You want to invest in your business, but you want to be smart about it, right? So today I'm going to share with you the process that I walk my clients through when they ask me this question. If we haven't met, I'm Aimee Cerka, your go-to money confidence coach for making money simple with straight to the point strategies, all so you can make more money in less time. So let's get to it, right? Let's start with like good versus bad. Like, what does that even mean? So, can money like just, or debt even just walk up and like smack you? Like, it's not bad like that. Okay. So, what do we mean when we mean bad? It means it's wrong. It's a bad investment. Like, we use that term good versus bad, and it's so black and white. And that comes from a system that's told us that, debt is bad. There's so many gurus out there that are telling you like debt is bad, debt is evil, you have to get out of debt at all cost. And while yeah, it's a smart idea to work on getting out of consumer debt, I found, and there's plenty of research that shows that doesn't actually work. And especially if you are trying to grow a business, you can't operate out of the scarcity that comes in this notion. Now, I'm sure there's people out there will like, I've did it like that. I've done it debt free. If you have, fantastic. You're not who I'm talking to. I'm talking to the person who wants to build their business and doesn't want to feel that scarcity. Okay? Because you can do this. So we have all of these stories here about like, debt is evil and that creates that scarcity. So how do you make the confident decisions? How can you be confident investing in yourself? There's a couple things that we need to have. And the biggest one is you have to have systems in place in order to manage your money, to keep track of it. We can't just be spending like crazy on a credit card with any sort of without any sort of system in place. Now, I use credit cards because of the rewards points. It also helps because, hey, as an entrepreneur, income fluctuates, right? So while we have the systems in place to handle that roller coaster income that we have, if it's a low month, I'm not worried about it because I know I have that space there. The system's in place. When the high month comes, we'll take care of it. But the credit card is there. I'm not worried about overdraft fees or anything else because I've built the systems to know I'm not just spending money without any reason, right? Like it's just not cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. That's not how it works. There is one thing that I want to make sure that I'm being transparent with and that you know. So with inflation right now, which we just did a couple videos on inflation, but with inflation right now, credit card companies are raising rates. So this system becomes even more important. So investing confidently comes from not making those emotional decisions, making smart, tangible decisions. I'm sorry, smart, tactile decisions objectively. And the way that you can do that is learning how to remove the emotion from your financial decisions. Because if you're making decisions out of emotion, because we all know marketing is important, and if it's done like effectively, you have to make decisions based out of logic, not out of emotion. So when we remove the emotion, you're able to make that logical decision. Is this something you really need to move forward in your business? If so, great. Go for it. Have the plan to move forward with the system. If you're just buying things out of emotion and you don't have a system in place, that's where that good debt, bad debt shows up. So make smart decisions. Do this logically, but the last thing I want to leave you with is knowing, like logically knowing this and actually implementing are two very different things. So if you want support around this, because that's what I find most of my clients need, then let me know. Drop a info below and we'll talk about how I can support you in making smart, objective decisions around investing in your business so you can avoid that good debt, bad debt dilemma. Okay, we'll see you next time.